Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 16e, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, you want to swipe down from the top right side of the screen, which will bring down your control center, and then hold your finger somewhere on the empty space like this. And then this allows you to resize a bunch of toggles and whatever, but at the bottom you will see now a button with the option to add a control. You're gonna click on that and find screen recording one. Click on it. You can see it gets added. Let's tap again on the empty space. I can click on the toggle and you can see it starts a 3-second countdown. So to stop it, you're gonna find this toggle once more, tap on it, and this will save the screen recording to your Photos application, which I'll open right now. And you can see right up here. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.